Conservation for a greener future. That's my vision for the future. Hello, my name is Jodesha and I am the volunteer coordinator at the St. Vincent and the Grenadines Conservation Fund. Being the volunteer coordinator, it was part of my job description. However, because I was given the opportunity to make real change in St. Vincent, the job was even more interesting.
The St. Vincent and the Grenadines Conservation Fund provides funding to support conservation and biodiversity.
Conservation for a greener future. That's our tagline, and that's what we live by at the St. Vincent and the Grenadines Conservation Fund. We would like to ensure that ecosystems in SVG remain healthy and persons in the various communities play an active role in keeping our environments clean. I am sending this message to everyone. It doesn't matter what age or gender you are. The health of our environment is everyone's responsibility.
The organization's volunteer program is designed to serve a double purpose: participation and education.
Currently, at the St. Vincent and the Grenadines Conservation Fund, the volunteer program normally take part in cleanups. Last December, we did a cleanup at the Clare Valley Beach. The community and volunteers came out in their numbers. The purpose of the cleanup was to improve the coastal ecosystem by removing trash and toxic materials that can harm marine life. We also used the opportunity to educate and raise awareness of the importance of a clean and healthy environment.
In these our small OECS countries, our coastal spaces and resources contribute more than we realize to our economic fortunes. And marine litter is a major threat to these fortunes.
Going forward, I would like to see communities become change makers in protecting our environment and biodiversity conservation. Let's all work together to make St. Vincent and the Grenadines cleaner.